Okay, right here is the Anasazi Ballroom. That's where most of the action is going to be taking place. Then that little doorway right there is the Juniper House, and that is where I was thinking about having the vendors. Now this is the courtyard, and wow, those doors behind that tree right there lead to another ballroom. It's either Ocotillo or Agave. And here's the other ballroom. Here is the fireplace. So this is the entire courtyard. Sorry for the movement. I mean, it's really beautiful. Here's this ballroom. This is the main ballroom, which also has another courtyard over here. And that is the door right there. The entrance to what I thought would be the vendor area.